So my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine now, friends. This video I'm going to show you the live price prediction of the Bittorrent coin. What's the price change goes in a Bittorrent, what's the high price, what's the low price, and what's the currently stands in a Bittorrent. And a lot of people message me that what's the next target of the Bittorrent, what's the next predictions occur in a Bittorrent. So after that I saw a Twitter, Google, I researched it. So after that I have a decision, so I'm share my decision with all of you that what's next going in a Bittorrent coin. So before starting this interesting video, before sharing this interesting decision, so please subscribe now Abby's Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates about Bittorrent coin, friends. Now friends, as you know, in the last one day a high explosion occurs yesterday. A high explosion occurs in the Bittorrent coin, and as you can see here, the last one day price prediction of the Bittorrent coin, a high explosion occurs in the Bittorrent coin in the previous hours. As you can see here, the change occurred in the Bittorrent in the last 1 hour is about 13.3% change occurred in the Bittorrent in the last one day, friends. And the high price of the Bittorrent is about $0.009677 USD dollar is the high price of Bittorrent in the last one day, friends. So friends, what's the next target of Bittorrent? As you can see here, if we look the Bittorrent coin price prediction chart, so as you can see here, the chart tells us that it's a very complex, as you can see here. Now friends, if we research about the Bittorrent next target, so we have found that now the Bittorrent is on the decision way. As you can see here, currently they are in the falling mode, but on this time they have two ways. As you can see here, the upward, the falls or jump, there's two chances. So but if we look the price prediction chart at this time, so currently at this time now they are in the falls mode, they are falling down. So there is a lot of chances to they falls down, but there is also chances to they jump upward. But I think 70% chances in a Bittorrent coin as to they falls down in the futures, and 30% chances to they move upward in the future. What's your opinion about Bittorrent coin? Please share in the comment box, and remember to subscribe Abby's Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates. Now if we look the currently the last 1 hour price prediction, so it will help us to take a decision. As you can see here, as I told you, now currently at this time Bittorrent coin is in the falls mode. As you can see here, now they are in the falls mode, friends. So the change is in the previous last 1 hour is in positive because they take a jump in the previous time. But if we look the currently, so currently they are in the falling mode. That is why my suggestion for all of you to please please hold it. Now at this time the falling occurs in a Bittorrent coin. So wait for their big pumps, wait for their big jump. When they start a pump, it's the best time for you to buy and sell Bittorrent coin. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe.